If you are looking for a good battery that has volts but also cheap for make your device that runs on battery volts, power look no further than the Wanyi-Lanzhou battery from China. Distributor undisclosed child labor factory deep in the heart of communist China. Jungle make all things super happy. You will be sure to get at least 1/4 of battery life as expected from the Wanyi-Lanzhou. Great, awesome, flat coin-style voltage battery designed and produced by tiny children without protective equipment in tiny, dirty factory, earning just a few rice cups per day. They love molten hot metal. Long time. Look how super superiorly this Wanzan Tomo Batatiti fits into anything you cram it into, providing just enough battery volts power for you to go find another Baturdi to replace it with. You will love super noxious China voltage power. Wanstelanio, carcinogenic lead-based but not entirely lead, possibly radioactive Hongdong, Chong round volts power, happy fun time for make better life. Look at this batteries, they are round shape and partially full of batteries. Volts, you can power them for use to make volts to make power for using your electronics like a true boss bitch. Just picture this. You open tamper child labor-proof packaging and insert them battery. Insert them inside your favorite electronics. Do not to put them inside of the interior. Anatomy inside of your mouth. Make sure to be happy. Child labor carcinogen battery. Hongdong Kong Province small child labor battery for all make happy.